Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a camera on Chamberlain Garage Door Opener model B6753T. I purchased my garage door opener online, and when it was installed I followed the instructions to connect camera to MyQ app. The camera powers up when it's opened and powers down when closed. An LED on the camera indicates the status. When your camera is opened, you might see blue, green, white, red or purple LED light. The LED light on my camera wasn't working, so I contacted Chamberlain customer service and explained them the problem. So they asked me to disconnect the camera from my garage door opener and check the connections to see if something wasn't connected properly. So I did follow their instructions over the phone, and the manager confirmed that my camera isn't working or broken. We did file a claim, and I received my replacement camera in less than 7 days. Now let's install this camera. Disconnect power to the garage door opener and remove the backup battery if used. Remove the decorative part at the opener's bottom. Be careful, you don't want to break these arrow parts that holding this part in place. Unscrew the camera slowly from the opener housing. Lower the camera and unplug the wire harness. Plug in the new camera. Align and screw in the new camera into the opener housing. Open the camera and make sure it rotates freely. Attach the decorative part. Reconnect power and battery if used. Let's try to connect camera to MyQ app. Open the camera. The LED will be solid white for up to 30 seconds. Wait for the light to flash blue. Then press Next. Tap to select and continue. Click Pair and select the Wi-Fi network. And enter the password. Then click Next. If connecting to the network takes more than 2 minutes, close the app and try to open it again. As you can see, in my case, it helped me, and now I have my camera connected to the MyQ app. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.